All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice number 2, which was the Bucky bobblehead. What else is there? Hank Aaron ball, the AJ Dillon helmet, and something else. I forgot what it was. The Quintez Cephas full size. All right, so that's our choices. All right, so we're going to check the time, July 4th at 6:01 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have July 4th at 6:01 p.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Aaron. Spot 16 is your winner. So, Aaron, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 4th, 6:01 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.